Good day mga idol, mga igan. Many of my friends are asking bakit daw ba tayo napunta sa game fowl breeding? Ano daw ba ang karanasan or experience natin sa mundo na ito? Ang totoo mga idol, we're not entirely new dito sa breeding. In fact, during the pandemic, we engaged in a pre-range chicken farming and we already experienced hands-on kung paano magparami ng mga manok. Because of that, we already have existing chicken coop, breeding pens in some facilities under our previous farm, then known as Best Farm, or the Barugo Entrepreneurial and Social Transformation Farm. In fact, meron tayo YouTube channel sa Old Farm about pre-range chicken under the name Best Farm Orchard, and I invite you all to watch my videos in that channel para makita nyo rin ang ating lumang manukan at mga gamit. When we chose to become Braid Blood Game Farm, we didn't tear everything down. Hindi namin sinira ang mga bagay na pinagkakatiwalaan namin. Binago at ginawang bago lamang ito. The withered coop became a dedicated breeding area, repaired and refreshed with concrete partition where selected pairs can band and breed quietly and safely. Ang kawayan na wall naman ay pinalitan ng steel matting para maging matibay. Ang mga dating brooding pens naman ay muling aayusin at pagagandahin, and the ranging area will be widened para madaling linisin at mapuno ng mga native grasses para maging active and healthy ang mga sisiw sa backyard. Marami pa tayong dapat gawin at patuloy lang ang paggawa at pag-improve sa farm. Brave Blood Game Farm is a backyard labor of love. We used what Best Farm gave us, the co-ops, the runs, the tools, and made them kinder, smarter, and more purposeful. This is heritage breeding done with care, conserving bloodlines, promoting welfare, and honoring the land that raised us. Now we're Brave Blood Game Farm. Small, thoughtful, and proud to carry forward the best of our past into a more humane future. Focus on enrichment, gentle handling, and health-first breeding, keeping the spirit of the farm alive with care. Please click the follow button below para updated kayo sa ating upcoming videos. In our next video,